Hey, what is up, you guys? So, y'all, I know I look crazy, but that is because I'm getting ready for bed. I look really, really crazy. But, y'all, I just kind of threw on my pajamas and, like, literally, I look like I have no hair underneath my bonnet. But it is the night before Thanksgiving, and I am kind of low key feeling some type of way. Now, I was supposed to be doing a Thanksgiving dinner with my family, and of course, everybody cancels. Like, this is just like an every year thing. Like, we were planning something, and then one person just would completely not want to do it, and everybody else around just don't want to do it. So then we end up not doing anything family related, and it sucks because it's like, what happened to family values? Like, what happened to family? Like, nobody want to do anything no more. Nobody wants to get together. Everybody's always arguing and fighting and just like picking fights with everybody. Like, so this year I'm going to be spending Thanksgiving with just me and my kids. Now, I had my brothers coming over and they ended up canceling because I guess they're going out of town. And I wish they would have told me that because it's like, yeah. I literally had to text my brother, like, are you still coming? And he basically told me, like, no, I made plans to do something else. So me and my kids are going to be cooking tomorrow. And, like, I don't know. I feel kind of sad. Because, like, I always feel like the outcast. Like, I have always felt like the outcast of my family. And I feel like I'm, like, the last person that everybody want to do stuff with. Like, I feel like everybody has, like, their favorite. And, like, I'm, like, literally, like, at the bottom of like the favorite sibling. I feel like I'm at the bottom of my siblings, and like they'll rather go to my other sibling's house versus like my house. It's always like, oh, it's boring over there, or oh, I just don't want to be over there, or it's always something, and it's kind of like, it's okay. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and spend Thanksgiving with me and my kids. I am learning to just start my own family traditions outside of my family because I feel like sometimes I just feel like, I don't know, I feel alone. I've always felt like alone, like it's just life, I guess. And I'm using this time to get closer to God and, you know, just like get closer to God and just find things that make me feel good about myself. I just feel like you have to come up with your own tradition, learn to be okay with being by yourself. I know that there are some people out there who have lost family members, and rest in peace to anybody who has lost any family members out there. I know it's hard, and it's hard. I can't even say anymore or anything else because it is very hard. So right now, I am about to get ready to kind of wind down for tonight. I'm about to start my dryer, my washer, get my washer started so that my covers can be clean. So I'm about to go ahead and start brushing my teeth, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like get ready to wind down for tonight. So y'all, let's get to brushing my teeth.
Okay, yeah, don't come for me. I know my hair look nappy in the back of my head. My bonnet is also tore up too. Like, I'm not one of them YouTubers that's gonna fake like I just get it like that. No, bro. Like, this is the real me. Like, I did not comb my hair before I did this video. And I know I look crazy, y'all, but y'all just enjoy the rest of the video. It's pretend like y'all don't see them little meatballs in the back of my head. Okay, so right now I'm just waiting for my sheets to get dry. So I'm about to go in the front room and just chill with my daughter, and we about to just go watch some TV and watch a movie or something until my covers and my sheets get done, because it is like extremely cold in my room and I have no cover nor do I have any sheets. So I'm about to go cuddle up with my baby and watch some TV. All right, you guys. So me and my baby, we're chilling, just watching some YouTube. She's watching Kai, and now we're about to play some Roblox. I love me some Roblox now, y'all, because Roblox is honestly one of the most funnest games. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Y'all can't see because it's like really, really dark. But I should play. You have the other controller? Can I play Roblox?
It's only a one player.
Oh. Roblox is so freaking fun. Like that's I like the obby. Obby is like one of the most funnest things on you. Yes, it is. You don't like obby?
I like hobbies.
Obby is so cool. I love obby.
Half the games I play Tycoons.
Tycoon is not fun to me.
Or like role plays.
I don't like those games. They're not really that fun to me.
That's messed up.
How's that messed up?
You should like them.
Bro, it's not that fun. Y'all, so this is one of the best freaking ice cream in the world. Like, I don't care about any other ice cream. Talent, I don't know what it's called. They sell this at Walmart. They sell it at Kroger's. Get you some of this. This is the strawberry shortcake. And when I say this ice cream is the best ice cream in the world, you ain't gonna never want to eat no other ice cream.
Okay, you guys, so I am officially done cleaning. I feel amazing right now. I'm about to play some calm, relaxing music right now, light me a candle, and just get into my bed and just get ready to kind of like lay down. I didn't clean my bed sheets. My room is cleaned. I'm clean, and I'm feeling good tonight, y'all. So I gotta go ahead and call it a night because I gotta get ready for tomorrow and, get ready for, cooking for Thanksgiving and all those amazing little things. But y'all, remember that it's not about the family that you were born into. It's about the one that you create. Remember, you can always create memories with other people, strangers, your kids, Live life to the fullest and enjoy it as much as you can. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and y'all will see me in another video. Bye!